There's an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve. There's an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve. There's an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve.
Good morning, Bitcoin. Today is Saturday, March 6th, 2021. My name is Thomas Hunt, and here's what's happening today in Bitcoin. Market wrap. Bitcoin stuck below 50K, and blockchain data may show why. China's plan for digital yuan imperils Bitcoin's biggest markets. India's Bitcoin exchanges breathe sigh of relief as government reconsiders crypto ban. But first, the price of Bitcoin is down 0.8% in the last 24 hours, with a last of 48,033, a high of 49,489, and a low of 47,159. That's $1 for 2,081 Satoshis, just on the other side of the 2,000 Satoshi barrier. Volume was at 4,811 Bitcoins changing hands, pretty good for a Friday, Saturday. The market continues to lean long, with 93% of the market heading that direction. Bitcoin dominance is down slightly at 79.99%. That's about 80. That's 21 Satoshis for a penny. Bitcoin stuck below 50K, and blockchain data may show why. Investors are speculating how a faster than expected economic rebound might benefit Bitcoin. Bitcoin ended the first week of March with little fanfare as the market reset after the prior week's 21% plunge. There are also more signs that the global economic recovery might come faster than previously expected, and traders are speculating on what that might mean for the world's largest cryptocurrency. This week's muted price activity in Bitcoin showed in the trading volume from 8 US-focused exchanges that CoinDesk tracks. It has been flat over the past week, roughly a third of levels seen recently. Bitcoin is consolidating around 50,000 after rebounding from lows earlier in the week, said Jason Lau, Chief Operating Officer at San Francisco-based crypto exchange OKCoin. Most recently, its price action has been hovering within this range, while open interest in Bitcoin futures has also remained constant. 50,000 also appears to be a key short-term resistance level, according Into the Block's newsletter Friday, citing a key blockchain metric, in and out of the money around price, IO map. A large cluster of addresses, 1.46 million, and volume 650,000 Bitcoins, 970, had been bought slightly below 50,000. Into the Block wrote in the newsletter. This price range, which already saw high levels of trading activity, is expected to act as strong resistance short term, as investors in this price range may look to break even on their positions at this point. At the same time, another large cluster of addresses and volume bought in a range from 45,600 to 47,000 currently at the money are likely to provide strong support. Ultimately, a break past 45,000 may mean that Bitcoin will retrace further, while a breakout past 50,000 may suggest it's poised for new highs. These are levels to watch out for before being certain of the correction being over or not. Investors will also have to weigh macro factors, including better than expected February jobs report for the US, as well as surging bond yields. China's plan for digital yuan imperils Bitcoin's biggest markets. Trouble may be brewing for China for Bitcoin's raucous and divisive rally as the nation pushes ahead with a world-leading effort to create a digital version of its currency. That's because the eventual rollout of the virtual yuan could roil cryptocurrency markets if Chinese officials tighten regulations at the same time. According to Philip Gillespie, chief executive of crypto market maker and liquidity provider B2C2 Japan, which mainly works with institutional investors. Once a digital yuan is introduced, that's going to be one of the biggest risks in crypto. Panic selling is possible if the new rules end up sucking liquidity from trading platforms for digital coins. Central banks' power to issue money and prescribe rivals is one of the key risks for the crypto sector. Chinese citizens are already banned from converting yuan to tokens, but the practice continues under the table using Tether, a digital coin that claims a stable value pegged to the dollar. The money parked in Tether then gets routed to Bitcoin and other tokens. Tokyo based Gillespie sees potential for an outright ban on Tether, which could raise the stakes for anyone minded to continue using it. A draft People's Bank of China law setting the stage for a virtual yuan includes a provision prohibiting individuals and entities from making and selling tokens. In recent days, China's Inner Mongolia banned the power hungry practice of cryptocurrency mining. Representatives of the People's Bank of China didn't reply to a fact seeking comment on the prospect of regulatory changes. While there's no launch date yet, the PBOC is likely to be the first major central bank to issue a virtual currency after years of work on the project. India's Bitcoin exchange breathes a sigh of relief as the government reconsiders a crypto ban. As the Indian finance minister tones down the government's previous position that fueled fears of a total crypto ban, India's crypto industry welcomes the remarks as a sign that regulatory framework is in the making. India's finance minister said that the government encourages a window of experiment on crypto. The Indian crypto industry representatives told Decrypt it could mean that a total ban is off the table. India's finance minister said yesterday on India's business channel that the government's position on crypto will be calibrated and it wants to make sure there's a window available for all types of experiments in the crypto world. A lot of negotiations and discussions are happening around cryptocurrency with the Reserve Bank of India. India's central bank will be taking a call on what kind of unofficial cryptocurrency will have to be planned and how it has to be regulated. So, we are not closing our minds. We are certainly looking at ways in which experimentations can happen in the digital world, cryptocurrency, and so on. Selling social media posts for $1.5 million? Blockchain certified tweet sales spark NFT controversy. The cryptocurrency community is in a tizzy this weekend after the founder of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, tweeted about a new application that allows people to purchase tweets with Ethereum. The application is called Valuables, and it allows individuals to purchase a digital certificate of the tweet, which is signed and verified by the tweet's creator. Tokenized tweets for sale. Tokenization and non-fungible token asset industry have swelled during the last 6 months, and a great number of artists, celebrities, and social luminaries have jumped on the bandwagon. There have been 5,368,992 NFT sales equating to $381 million since nonfungible.com started tallying up the market history. Now, a project called Valuables, or the Web3 compatible portal vcent.co, is attempting to make tweets valuable by tokenizing them via the Matic blockchain. But there's a lot of controversy over whether or not tweets can be valued and stored in a meaningful way on a blockchain. I agree. Hey, check out our goal for the new laptop fundraiser. We've reached it again, but the price of Bitcoin keeps going up and down while the price of a new laptop remains the same. You can donate now with the QR code on your screen or by going to Tallycoin, clicking the invoice, setting what you'd like to say. I'm on TV. Then sending a simple amount with the Lightning Network. It's just that easy with the wallet of Satoshi. You scan the QR code, you click pay, and boom, the Lightning Network sends it. Done. It's just that easy to pay with the Lightning Network. The World Crypto Network shop has HAL Finny t-shirts, and I got one recently. It's great. I wish I'd ordered a size up, but it's great. We've also got the HAL Finny mug and the Trezors Don't Float 2.0. Don't take your Trezor on a boat, because your Trezor don't float. The price of Bitcoin is down 0.26% in the last 24 hours, with a last of 48,258, a high of 49,489, and a low of 47,159. That's $1 for 2,072 Satoshis. Be sure to give us a thumbs up down below and subscribe to the World Crypto Network. Until next time, bye bye.